if either f dash x greater than 0 or f dash x less than 0 for all x belongs to the domain, this is important, then y equal to fx is 1 function, right? It says that y equals fx is 1 function. तो आप लोगों ने देखो सभी लोग ऐसे ही दिमाग में रखते हैं ना कि यार डेरिवेटिव पॉजिटिव है हमेशा और डेरिवेटिव या तो नेगेटिव है हमेशा, राइट? सो अगर डेरिवेटिव हमेशा पॉजिटिव हो गया तो फंक्शन इंक्रीजिंग हो गया, तो फंक्शन 1 हो गया. अगर डेरिवेटिव नेगेटिव फंक्शन डिक्रीजिंग हो गया हमेशा, तो फंक्शन 1 हो गया. ठीक है, दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ स्टेटमेंट दैट वी डू, राइट? सो considering the fact, anyone would like to say anything else for this statement apart from this? Because since I have said so, that there might be some constraint, or there might be something which need to be focused in this, right? Yes, Anirudh. Yes, Anirudh, you can speak. Yes, Harsh.
The graph must be continuous, sir.
Very good, absolutely correct. See, the concept should be that crystal clear. Very good, Harsh. So what he is saying is that graph should be continuous in this, right? देखो अगर आप ऐसा graph बनाओगे, you can easily draw the graph, right? Because you have done much of the things in the functions, तो आप graph बना सकते हो. देखो x equal to 1 पे asymptote बनेगा, 2 पे और 3 पे, ये सबको पता है, ठीक है? तो ग्राफ कुछ ऐसा बन जाएगा, यहाँ पे ऐसा बनेगा, फिर उसके बाद कहीं पे जाके फिर ऐसा बन रहा होगा, यहाँ पे asymptote बन जाएगा, राइट? Let us say this is x equal to 1 और ऐसे आगे चलता रहेगा. तो देखो फंक्शन क्या है, हमेशा आपको क्या आ रहा है, डेरिवेटिव हमेशा क्या आ रहा है, नेगेटिव आ रहा है, ठीक है? डेरिवेटिव इज ऑलवेज नेगेटिव. लेकिन क्या 1 है? बिल्कुल नहीं. देखो लाइन ड्रॉ करोगे तो यहाँ पे भी सेम वैल्यू, यहाँ पे भी सेम वैल्यू, तो 1 नहीं है. तो स्टेटमेंट ये क्या हो गया, गलत. ये सही कब होगा, दिस विल बी करेक्ट ओनली व्हेन द फंक्शन इज कंटिन्यूअस, जैसे कि हर्ष ने कहा, व्हिच इज एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. फंक्शन शुड बी कंटिन्यूअस, राइट? अब यहाँ पे देखो f is many one, तो अभी देख लिया हमने, f तो many one है, यहाँ पे भी सेम, यहाँ पे भी सेम, f is many one, this is correct. Again this statement 2, that is statement 2 here is incorrect. ठीक है, तो आंसर क्या हो जाएगा, सी. तो यहाँ पे देखो कितने कंसेप्चुअली चीजें पूछी जा रही हैं. एंड इफ यू हैव नॉट डन दिस, प्लीज डू दीज assertion, region and true and false. This will really check your concepts. Now again, question number 38. So just tell me how many of you will be able to do question number 38 so that we can move on to the another question. Okay, fine, good, very good. So okay, good. And if anyone wants to ask the question number 38, so please raise hands. Only those students will raise their hands who want to ask this question. Okay. So yes, Matthew. Okay, fine. So yes, Matthew, what doubt do you have in this?
Sir, I saw the solution, sir. I understood that sin x is 2 pi and sin x is 1, but the second statement is a bit confusing, sir. Like, what are they trying
Okay,
to
fine.
do?
So I'll just explain this statement too. The period of sin x is 2 pi, and 2 pi is an irrational number, right? Which is absolutely correct. 2 pi is an irrational number, right? And now what it is, how
Domain
it is
is
making
natural
use of
number.
it. What?
Domain is natural numbers, all natural
Yes.
numbers, right?
Yeah, domain is natural numbers. That is for sure. That is correct.
So 2 pi won't be there in the domain. So that's what I thought, but after that I got a bit confused, sir.
Okay, so you are absolutely correct that 2 pi won't be in the domain. That is absolutely correct, right? But here we see, for example, if we try to talk about sin 1,
Sin
right?
53,
right? Yeah, we'll just try to put up the values, right? Sin x is there, so we'll try to put up the natural numbers. So let us say we are now doing for sin 2, right? So what it is trying to say is this sin 1 will not be repeated. The value for this will not be repeated, because if it has to be repeated, it will be repeated after 2 pi interval, which cannot happen.
Okay.
Which exactly you said in the beginning. Because that is not lying in the domain itself.
Okay.
Are you getting the point? Because here that thing, 2 pi plus 1 does not exist in our case. That is 2 pi minus 1.
Okay.
Right? Because this will, or any function for that matter, that will be 2 pi, this 2 pi minus 1, right? Those will be equal. But since this is not the natural number, so this will not be included, so it will not repeat. That is why it is 1 function.
Sir, so to prove this statement 2 false, should we always be able to write that f of x is equal to f of t plus x? Only if we are able to write that, then we can say it's periodic, or else
Yeah, because we
if
can
we
say
are
that
not able to write
this is
that,
not
then
periodic. This is not periodic.
statement 2 will become false.
See, in this case, this function from natural number to real numbers is not periodic actually, right? So it is. This is what it is saying, that in the statement 2, it is periodic with period 2 pi, which does not exist in this.
Okay.
This
So, okay.
irrational
Only
domain
if it's
is
2
not in
pi,
this.
then only
Yes.
it would repeat, or else it won't
Yes.
repeat.
Yes. Right.
Okay.
So
Fine, sir.
is it more clear now?
Okay. Fine, sir. Yes, sir.